Let's have law of sign ambiguous case. If you are given two sides and an angle opposite to one of the two sides, you can use law of sign ambiguous case. And first is, you need to know how many possible solutions of a triangle will exist. Ayan, kailangan alam mo muna yung three cases na to. Paano humanap ng ilang solution na mag-i-exist. And after that, kapag magaling ka na dyan, you can now solve for the triangle or the triangles. Kasi, di ba, we have three possible solutions na mag-i-exist. Can have no solution or no triangle will exist, or one solution, one triangle will exist, or two solutions, we have two triangles will exist. So, let's solve this problem according to the instruction. Round your answers to 2 decimal places. Okay, we have number 1, your angle A is equal to 67 degrees. Your side A is equal to 18, and B, your side B is equal to 20. First is, I will draw the triangle. So, this one. So, this is my triangle. Again, dito ko ilalagay yung given kong angle, which is angle A, and that is equal to 67 degrees. And opposite to that is my side A, and that is equal to 18. And the second side given is my side B, and that is equal to 20. So, after natin ma-drawing ang ating triangle, first is look at your angle. Since our angle A is equal to 67 degrees, and that is an acute angle, ayan, acute angle daw ang given natin. Dalawa lang naman yung possible niyang mapuntahan. Case 1 and case 2. Kasi ang case 1, acute angle ang given. Case 2 din, acute angle ang given. Kaso nga lang, to choose, you need to compare the given sides. Okay, again, ano ang i-compare mo? I-compare mo ang side ng given nating angle to the second side na given. Since we are given angle A and opposite to that is the side A, meaning you need to compare the side A to side B. Side B kasi ang ating second side. Okay, and your side A is 20, and palitan natin, your side A is equal to 18, and your side B is equal to 20. And we know that 18 is less than 20. Therefore, your side A is less than your side B. And from that, saan yun magpo-fall? It falls under case number 1. So, we are now in case number 1. So, we are in case 1. And in case 1, tatlo ang possible nating solution. You can have two solutions, you can have one solution, or no solution. So, to find that, kailangan natin mahanap muna yung height or the B sine A. So, mag-create tayo ng ating height. So, this one now is my height. Nagawa ako dyan ng height. Since this one now is a right triangle, we can use now the SOHCAHTOA, yung pinag-aralan natin last quarter. So, let's have the SO. Since we are given the opposite and the hypotenuse, we can use the sine 67 degrees is equal to your opposite, which is the height na hindi pa natin alam ang value, and the hypotenuse, which is 20. And finding the h, we have now h is equal to 20 times sine 67 degrees. So, h now is equal to, let's use our calculator again. Make sure your calculator is in degree mode. So, 20 sine 67, and that is equal to 18.41. So, you have now 18.41. When you have your h, pwede ka na ngayon mag-compare. You need to compare the side opposite to our given angle, and that is your side A. Side A ang opposite ng ating given angle, and compare naman siya sa height. So, your A is equal to 18, and then your height here is 18.41. And 18 is less than 18.41. So, meaning your side A is less than our height. So, from the case 1, if that is less than, meaning the answer for that is no solution. So, the answer for this is no solution. If that is no solution, no need to solve for the triangle kasi when we say no solution, no triangle will exist. Walang triangle. So, wala ka nga hanaping parts ng triangle. So, stop ka na po dyan. That is the final answer. Okay, so let's have number 2. Angle B is equal to 49 degrees. Your side A is equal to 7 and your side B is equal to 9. So, first is, let's draw our triangle. So, we have, this one is my triangle. Ayan. So, again, dito ko ilalagay ang aking angle, which is angle B, and that is equal to 49 degrees. Opposite to that is my side B, which is 9. And the second side, which is A, is equal to 7. Okay, so from that, look at your angle. So, we are given angle B is equal to 49 degrees. And 49 degrees is an acute angle. So, we have acute angle. So, from that, so, pwede siyang sa case 1 and sa case 2. So, we need to test or compare our two sides. Since we are given angle B, ang i-compare natin is side B compared to the side A. Okay, again ha, ang first natin should be the opposite side of the given angle. Opposite side of the given angle, so that is B compared to side A. And your B here is a 9, and your A here is 7. And 9 is greater than 7, therefore your side B is greater than A. And going back, that is under case number 2, greater than, ito po yun. So, meaning there is exactly one solution. So, from this one, we have one solution. Ibig sabihin ng one solution, we have one triangle will exist out of this given in our problem. So, ibig sabihin, may isosolve kang parts of the triangle. So, from that, we need to find now the value of ano-ano ba ang nawawala sa ating triangle. Since given tayo ng angle B, we need to find now the value of our angle A, our angle C, and our side C. So, alin ang una ko nga hanapin si tatlo? Since we are given the side A, pwede nating mahanap agad si angle A using the law of sines. So, formula natin ng law of sines. And our formula, again, recall natin ha, we have sine of angle A over side A is equal to sine of angle B over side B is equal to sine of angle C over side C. And since we're looking for the angle A, syempre, gagamitin natin ito. And another ratio which is may given na yung angle, given pa yung side. At ito po yun. Kasi we have the value of your angle B and side B. So, ang gagawin natin dyan is to substitute the given value to our formula. So, we have now sine of angle A, since we don't know the angle A yet. So, A lang siya. And our side A is 7 is equal to sine of angle B, which is 49 degrees. I-replace natin ang angle B natin. And i-replace din natin ang ating side B, which is equal to 9. And by cross multiplication, we have now, proceed tayo dito. We have now 9 sine of angle A is equal to 7 times sine 49 degrees. And since we're looking for the angle A, we need to divide both sides by 9 para ito maging 1 na lang siya. And we have now sine of angle A is equal to 7 sine of 49 degrees over 9. Again, we're looking for the value for angle A. So, Again, di ba, ganito ang ginagawa natin. So, we have now A is equal to sine raised to the negative 1 and then multiply natin by 7 sine 49 degrees over 9. Okay, and now, we need our calculator. So, this one is our angle A. So, using our calculator, since that is sine raised to the negative 1, press shift and then sine. So, meron ka ng sine raised to the negative 1. Since we have a fraction, pindutin mo lang ating fraction button and then 7 sine 49 degrees. Close that para hindi mag-math error. And then 9. And then close mo ng whole. And that is equal to 35.94. So, we have 35.94. 94 degrees. Ayan. So, you have now the value of your angle A. Siyempre, kung may 2 angles ka na, you can now find the value of our angle C. So, your angle C now is equal to 180 degrees minus the first angle, which is 49 degrees, minus our angle A, which is 35.94 degrees. So, your angle C now is equal to, so let's solve using our calculator. So, we have 180 minus 49 minus 35.94, and that is equal to 95.06. We have 95.06. So, we have now the value of your angle C. Okay, last one. Let's solve for the value of the side C. Okay, find side C. Okay, for side C, since you are given now, gamitin mo na lang kung ano yung value na meron ka na. Since ang meron naman talaga tayo is itong ratio ng B natin, so we have now sine of angle B over B is equal to sine of angle C over side C. So, replace natin ang given natin. Our angle B is 49 degrees over, ang B natin is 9 is equal to, we don't know yet what is the value. We know already the value for angle C, and that is 95.06 degrees. May degrees po yan, ha? And that is over your side C. Mag-cross multiply tayo, and that is C sine 49 degrees is equal to 9 sine 95.06 degrees. And to find the value of C, divide both sides by sine 49 degrees. So, ayan, cancel na siya. Your C now is equal to 9 times sine 95.06 degrees over sine 49 degrees. And we have now C is equal to, let's use our calculator. So, you have 9 sine 95.06 equals, and then divide sine 49 degrees, and that is equal to 11.88. Again, your instruction should be 2 decimal places. So, 11.88 po yan. 11.88. And, ayan, complete na yung parts ng ating triangle. And that is the final answer. So, let's have question number 3. Angle A is equal to 40 degrees. Or side A is equal to 7 and side B is equal to 10. So, first, let's draw our triangle. So, we have again, here is my angle A. So, this one is 40 degrees. Opposite to that is my side A, which is 7, and this one is my second side, which is side B, and that is equal to 10. So, first, your angle A is equal to 40 degrees, and that is an acute angle. So, ibig sabihin, pwede siyang sa case 1 or case 2. To check, compare mo lang yung two given sides natin. Since we are given angle A, we need to compare your side A to the side B. Okay, your side A is 7 and your side B is 10. And we know that 7 is less than 10. So, therefore, your A is less than your B. So, therefore, that is under case number 1. So, nasa case number 1 tayo. So, this one is case 1. In case 1, we have 3 possible solutions. So, we can have 2 solutions, 1 solution, or no solution. So, meaning, we need to find the value of height para ma-identify natin ilan nga ba ang solution. So, I will create here an height. Ayan, that is my height. So, we have now our right triangle. So, we can use the SOHCAHTOA. So, this time, we can now find the value of height using the SO, or the sine is equal to opposite over hypotenuse. So, that is sine 40 degrees is equal to the height over the hypotenuse. Our height is opposite, kaya po siya ang nasa numerator. And we have the hypotenuse, which is B, and that is equal to 10. And finding the value of H becomes now, magka-cross multiply lang tayo. So, H now is equal to 10 times sine 40 degrees. And using your calculator, you have your H as 6.43. So, you have now the value of your H. And so, from that, you can now compare the side opposite the given angle. So, that is the side A. So, you have now the side A compared to the value of your height. So, we have now your A is equal to 7 and your height is 6.43. And this 7 is greater than 6.43. So, meaning your side A is greater than the value of the height. So, therefore, how many solutions do we have? If that is greater than, meaning we have 2 solutions. So, this time, we have 2 solutions. So, ibig sabihin, we have 2 triangles will exist. So, first is, let's solve for the first triangle. So, let's solve for the first triangle. This one is the first triangle. Ang first triangle natin is the original triangle. So, manggagaling mismo ito dito. So, ganun pa rin yung triangle natin. Pag drino mo siya, ayan, yun pa rin siya. So, A, that is 40 degrees. Opposite to that is your side A, which is 7. And here is my side B, and that is equal to 10. Since given ang ating side B, this is my angle B, and this one is my angle C, and this one is my side C. And in solving the first triangle, ano-ano ba ang hahanapin natin? So, ang missing nating parts dyan, so we need to find the angle B, the angle C, and our side C. So, first, ang nating makukuha dyan is the value of our angle B. Since given naman ang ating side B, we can now find the angle B using the formula of our sine law. So, we have now sine of angle A over A is equal to sine of angle B over B. Ito ang gagamitin kong proportion kasi since I have the value of angle A and the side A, and I have also the value of my side B para makuha ko si angle B. So, from that, let's cross multiply. So, we have now, hindi pa, mag-substitute muna tayo ng value. So, we have now sine. Let's replace angle A to 40 degrees over your A is 7 is equal to sine. B pa rin siya since we don't know yet the angle B. And our side B is 10. So, this time, let's cross multiply. So, we have 7 sine of angle B is equal to 10 times sine of 40 degrees. Since we're looking for the angle B, let's divide both sides by 7. So, you have now sine of angle B equals 10 sine of 40 degrees over 7. Since we're looking for this V, so ang gagawin natin is V now is equal to sine inverse or raised to the negative 1 times yung buo nating fraction. Then sine 40 degrees over 7. And your angle B now is equal to, using your calculator, so gamitan natin. So using your calculator, press shift and then sine para magkaroon ka ng sine raised to the negative 1. And then since that is a fraction, let's have the fraction button. So 10, then sine 40 degrees. I-close mo siya. And then down, let's have 7, and then i-close mo siya ng buo. And the result now is 66.67. So your angle B now is 66.67 degrees. So you have now the value of your angle B. So pagkatapos niyan, mahanap mo na ngayon ang angle C. Since given naman ang ating dalawang angles. So find angle C. So to find that, syempre, angle C is equal to 180 degrees minus the angle A, 40 degrees minus 66.67 degrees, and pag sinolve mo yan, our angle C now is equal to 73.33 degrees. So, ayan. Meron ka na ngayong angle C. And this time, ang natitira na lang natin is, let's find the side C. To find the side C, so again, let's have the formula. We have sine of angle A over A. I will use this ratio because I have the value of my angle A and side A is equal to, since I'm looking for the side C, I will use the C. The angle C over the side C. So let's substitute sine 40 degrees over ang A natin is 7 is equal to sine, nakuha natin ang C, so that is 73.33 degrees over, so that is over C. So let's cross multiply. So you have now C, sine 40 degrees is equal to 7, sine 73.33 degrees. And ayan, so let's divide both sides by sine 40 degrees. Ito ay cancel na. So, you have now C is equal to 7 sine 73.33 degrees over sine 40 degrees. And using your calculator, so we have 7 sine 73.33 equals, and then divide sine 40 degrees, and that is equal to 10.43. So we have now 10.43. So, you have now the value of your first triangle. Complete mo na ngayon ang first triangle. So, let's have the second triangle. So, first triangle natin, sa second triangle na tayo Siyempre, yung second triangle, manggagaling din yan sa original. So, if this is our original triangle, yan yung original natin triangle, diba? So, this is my angle A, my angle B, and this is my angle C. My A here is 7, my B here is 10, and then this one is, nakuha natin, diba? 40 degrees talaga, given siya. And then, kanina, nakuha natin yung angle B is equal to 66.67. Ayan. Para makakuha natin yung second triangle, we will create an isosceles triangle. if that is a isosceles triangle, meaning this side and this side, the two sides are equal. So, ibig sabihin, kapag ito ay 7, automatically this side becomes 7 also. And if this is 66.67 degrees, automatically, itong angle na to becomes 66.67 also. So, sulat natin. So, this one is 66.67 degrees din yan. Ayan, pareha sila. So, meaning we can get now the value of this angle. Yung pa-supplement niya, itong angle, diba? This one is a straight line, therefore, you can get now this angle. So, create natin yung second triangle. So, our second triangle now is like this. Ayan na siya. And this one now, your angle A, 40 degrees pa rin siya. And then, syempre, isosceles sila. Ito si A mo ay 7 pa din, and B mo ay 10 pa din. And pag hinanap mo to, subtract mo lang ang 66.67. Ito ay yung pang second triangle natin. Ito ang ating second triangle. So, to get, this one is our angle B, and this one is our angle C. So, to get the angle B, we have now 180 degrees minus 66.67 degrees. Your angle B now for the second triangle is equal to 113.33 degrees. Okay. Kailangan, paano malalaman na makaka-create ka ng triangle? Malalaman mo siya once you add, diba ito naging 113.33. Kapag pinag-add mo ang 40 degrees plus 113.33 degrees, dapat less than siya sa 180 degrees. So, this one now is, diba siya ay, ang total nito ay 153. That is 153. This one is 153.33, and that is less than 180 degrees. So, na-prove natin ngayon that we can create another triangle, and itong triangle ay nag-i-exist talaga. So, this one now is correct. So, you have now the value of your angle B. Ano-ano na lang ba ang hahanapin mo sa ating triangle? So, we need to find your angle C and your side C. Again na, ito po ang ating pang second triangle. Ito po. Ito ang ating, yung mas maliit na. So, let's find the value of the angle C. Find the angle C. Ito, find that. Madali na kasi nakuha mo naman na yung dalawa. So, your angle C now is equal to 180 degrees minus 40 degrees minus 113.33 degrees. So, your angle C now is equal to 26.67 degrees. So, you have now the value of your angle C. So, what's next is, let's find our side C. So, to find side C, ganun pa rin, use the formula of our sine law. So, sine of angle A over A. Ito pa rin ang gagamitin kong ratio since meron akong value ng angle A at side A. And since hahanapin ko ang C, ito ang gagamitin kong ratio kasi nandyan ang C. So, let's substitute. Sine 40 degrees over ang A natin ay 7 is equal to sine. Our sine angle C is 26.67 degrees over C. So, this time, let's cross multiply. So, we have C sine 40 degrees is equal to 7 sine 26.67 degrees and divide both sides by sine 40 degrees. Sine 40 degrees, and then this one is cancelled. C now is equal to 7 sine 26.67 degrees over sine 40 degrees. So C now is equal to, let's use our calculator. So we have now 7 times sine 26.67 equals and divides sine 40 degrees. So we have now sine, your side C is 4.89. So, yun. Complete na ang ating two triangles. And that's the final answer.